Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? It's Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. In this video, we will discuss BTC and we will analyze it on 4-hour time frame. Yesterday, BTC on my previous update was around this area when I told you guys that it will hit this trend line before dropping. So it pumped and hit 23k USD and dropped by 1300 USD. Following my analysis, BTC again dropped by almost 5%. So today we'll also analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame. Before getting into this video, we'll let you know guys about my Discord VIP where we traded some spot trades as well. BTC again, we traded long on BTC with my VIPs. So we traded today some spot trades. OM, that was today's top gainer on Binance, that gave us almost 20% non-leveraged profit, and the LTO and BTC pair, that was also top gainer on Binance and again gave us almost 36% non-leveraged profit. So this here is the trade which we traded the VIPs, the BTC USD, and we went long on BTC from 21,890 and it hit almost our two targets and gave us 50% non-leveraged profit. So this is my gains section where these guys post their gains. Here is the, see, this guy made 67 USD profit and this guy made 52 USD profit, and here is their PNLs. So that's how they make money with us. If you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM us either on Telegram or either on Twitter. So we will let you know what the criteria to join us on Discord. So currently, let's analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame. Right now, BTC is trading around 21,900 while I am recording the video. So there are lots of traders who are considering this area to be an SND, this area to be an SND, and this area to be SND. But this area is not as much as important for me as this area is. Why? Because if we see, we had a low. We had a previous low around this area and high around this area. So if we use fib and retrace it by 50%, we will see that this S&D got almost filled by more than 50%. So this area is not as much important for me as this area is, because much orders lie at this area. If we compare both of the zones, we will see that much liquidity lies above this area as it is below the SNDs or whatsoever they are. So what's happening right here, why liquidity is around this area? Because we had an order block in this area which was medicated by my 2-hour analysis. If you remember my previous videos, I clearly predicted that this order block will hit and price will go down. So similarly, same happened and BTC followed my analysis on my previous videos. You can confirm that as well. So why this area is important? Because we have areas of inefficiencies that was in form of order block which now has been medicated. So this order block is also not as much as valid as this is, because this order block is unmedicated and we have area of inefficiency that is in form of imbalance right here. Beside this, we have order block in this zone and we have area of inefficiency in at this imbalance right here. So what's happening right now, BTC is currently trying to hold above the zone which I told you from my previous market update videos. So as far as we are above this red line, whose target is around 21,300, or as far as price above the same zone, we will find opportunities of long according to our strategies on lower time frames. So okay, so if we break below this low, then we will change from bullish to bearish and we will find shorts either from this area or either from this area. But currently I will be in favor of long, finding long opportunities again from this area, because if we analyze the same chart on 30-minute time frame, currently going long on BTC would not be a good option, because if we analyze BTC on 30-minute time frame, we would see we have two areas of of interest right now in market. One is this high and the other is this low. So if we break above this high, then we will find longs again in market, and we will update you on my Telegram as well on my Twitter also. So if we break this low, then we will find short scalp opportunities until my zone, okay, which is around this red line. So we have this area that has to be broken, then we will find long opportunities, and I am expecting, so after breaking this we will find long opportunities. But if price fails to hold above this area and if breaks this low, then we will find short opportunities. So this was today's market update video.